We're here in South Dallas today. We're working on a pool renovation. We're about 90% of the way finished. We're working on the final touches. We were able to take an old, dated, concrete, exposed aggregate pool deck and kind of give it a facelift with some concrete. So I want to show you this. What we did was we poured a concrete wall that goes around the border. And when we poured the wall, we set the forms, we sleeved for the post so that we could put the safety fence in the wall and really just maximize the usable space. With the pool coping, what we did was we changed out the old coping. This was about 8 to 10 inches wide, and it was a thicker, wider, it's almost like a big brick tile, but it went to about here. So originally what we had hoped to do was to simply take out the coping and replace the coping and keep the exposed aggregate concrete right here, and then have them abut each other, and then pour new concrete in the back, and then do an overlay over the old and new concrete. But because the coping didn't line up, what we needed to do was cut into the concrete and remove it, and then we just went ahead and poured all new concrete. I really like the way it all turned out. The coping on the thing matches the back wall. It's called a Platino Travertine, so it's a lot cooler in the summertime. You won't have to worry about it getting hot. It's a natural stone. We're almost finished. We got to do some coping. We're going to finish some drainage, and it should be done pretty soon.